We are away from the studio. The Inspector General of Police, James Opombuenu, says coronavirus technical team has been set up at the police headquarters to deal with all matters that will crop up as a result of the pandemic. At the launch of a nationwide fumigation and disinfection exercise of police installations at the National Police Training School, he stated the police hierarchy will do everything possible to create a conducive and safe workplace for all personnel.
To the personnel of the Ghana Police Service who have devoted your lives to help enforce the restrictions, or let me say, who have risked your lives to ensure that the restrictions are enforced, to make sure that Ghanaians stay safe. The police administration thanks you very much for your devotion, and I want to assure you on behalf of the Police Management Board that appropriate measures have been put in place to support you and to support you to prevent you from getting the infection and to treat any of you who may be infected in the course of your duties. A COVID-19 technical team has been constituted at the headquarters that is dealing with all matters relating to the pandemic and will ensure that you get maximum support, as well as members of your family in these difficult times. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, this fumigation and disinfection exercise has become crucial following the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic. So you will notice that this is a special one, quite different from the one that we have had previously with Zumlayan. As you are all aware, the Ghana Police Service, supported by other sister security agencies, have partnered the Ghana Health Service as frontliners to help fight this pandemic.
The Director of Police Public Affairs, Superintendent Sheila Abiye Bachman, meanwhile, says testing of all police officers for coronavirus is still ongoing. She adds, two COVID-19 Nigerian patients who were in the custody of the police have been discharged from the police hospital after they were certified as having fully recovered.
Testing is actually ongoing for all police officers. That is what we arrived at now. Okay. Because people had to go to the office to pick PPEs and others to go for their duties. So testing is ongoing for all police officers.
Even and they are in, go on lockdown
yes,
duties.
Every police officer, and they are being done in batches. I do know as of yesterday that several results had come in and they have been good. So all those who tested negative have resumed work fully. You know, it's been how many weeks since the lockdown duties? And testing started almost immediately. There were some of us who were lucky to have tested even earlier, like a day or two before the process ended. Okay. So by now, almost everyone who might have gone on the lockdown and who had issues would have had it. But I do know that the test results we have had so far are encouraging. There are some cases that our health people are following up on, but work has resumed. Okay. I have been briefed that so far, like almost everyone who was tested is okay, and that's why we've been asked to resume duties.